हेलो गाइस, आई एम बैक अगेन. सो yesterday क्या हुआ था, ड्यू टू स्टोरेज इशू वीडियो ऑटोमेटिकली स्टॉप हो गया था. सो आई कुड नॉट रिकॉर्ड इट. एंड नाउ टुडे व्हाट आई डिड, I saw the video and I was a bit happy that I was not using lot of fillers. I was speaking slowly. So these two good improvements. I have to. I'm not making. I am not framing sentences well. So that's what I have to look after it. And still looking into the camera. I should look more into the camera. Okay. And what I have observed is when I explain something, what I do is I don't complete it and start new topic. So that also I have to work on. And yesterday I was moving my lips and finger a lot like this. ऐसे कुछ कर रहा था मैं. Okay, so that's apart from this what I learned today. Yesterday I could not explain the topic begin with end in mind properly. So what I did today, again I read that whole around 20 pages. I read and I tried to understand it better. So what I have decided is I'll read each chapter at least twice or thrice so that I know the content better, because it is very very effective. I have learned a lot of things from and book name is 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. And first habit was highly successful and effective people are proactive in the sense that they take responsibility for their action. Whatever is happening around them, they are responsible for that. So that is the first thing. They control themselves and they not let their surrounding, their environment control them. So that is the first habit, that is proactiveness. Second habit is they begin with end in the mind. Like कोई भी चीज, whatever they are doing it, they always think what they want at the end. Basically suppose you are suppose what you want, like you are living your life, what you want at the end of life. Suppose at your funeral, what you want people to say about you. So that, and accordingly whatever you want to hear, so that will become your like goal. In that direction you will move your life. Whatever you will do, it will be according to that only. I think this is making sense. Okay, I hope it is already 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, so it's again I am saying that it is not an issue to make the content. हो रहा है पूरा, मतलब ऐसा नहीं हो पा रहा है कि क्या बोलना है, चुप रहो. So again I am using fillers. I started using, and I think to not use filler, what you have to do, the only solution, not only solution, one of the solution is to speak slowly. Once I speak slowly, I will not use filler words. And I have decided to remove that अच्छा ठीक है words from my dictionary, like this like word also. I have to not use it. And what I did today, like I had heard that speaking is talk to strangers, one of the best way to improve the communication skill. So again, okay, communication skill. So what I did today is I spoke to I guess 2 people. And it was for like 10 seconds or 15 seconds. I asked ChatGPT before going for the lecture. I asked ChatGPT how I should approach them. So it suggested me to start with 10 second conversation with the strangers, okay, where you have fear or you will hesitate to talk. So I've done that. I spoke to 2 people, and let's see, tomorrow also I am planning, like, not like every day I'm going to talk to strangers, and deliberately I will talk so that I fear remove हो जाना चाहिए. That's it. Let's see. Okay, so I will stop today. Let's meet tomorrow and see what mistakes I am still doing it, and what needs to be done. Okay, bye bye, take care.